What's going on, everybody? Garden with Barchuckin. It's January 6th, and that means it's Worm Wednesday. Let's check out the bin. But before we do that, check this out. I got my first seed catalog. Baker Creek Seeds. The last thing I need is new seeds, but there's a bunch of ones that I was looking at that are looking very cool for the spring and summertime, so I'll probably end up getting some ordered up, and I'll do a video later on. Actually, I'll go ahead, I'll show you the ones that I'm thinking about purchasing, and then I'll put the order in, and hopefully when they come in I can do a little seed haul review. So check out my worm bin. Okay, so that's where the last feeding was. Sprouts are still coming up. I actually, when I was at my grandfather's, they have a poinsettia. A couple of their flowers and plants were going ahead and losing some of their leaves, so I figured I'd throw them in the vermicompost bin and let the worms go to town on them. Still can't get over all these sprouts. They definitely are not doing a great job with the banana peels as a whole. I was checking out a couple other things, and a few people were suggesting blending them up, so that might be the next time I go for the banana skins is to blend them. Yeah, cause see, I put a bunch in here and they're kind of just eating around it. So today, have a salad mix that started kind of to go. I'm not putting all this in there because I don't have enough worms to eat it all, but I'll put about half or so of this in, and then the other half I'll put out in my outdoor compost. And I think for next week, I've been eggshelling them for a while. Outside I have a little sand, so I'll bring that in and change up the grid a little bit. And I'll just cover it up. The potato. So this time, instead of feeding out here, I pulled it back, and then I normally don't show. I show it once I already uncover it. But what I've been doing is I put a piece of the sales flyer. I put a piece of the sales flyer in, and then I normally cover it with a little bag also, just to help keep a little bit of the moisture in there. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.